Add ID found in list to new column in pandas data frame. Say I have the following data frame, a column of integers and a column with a list of integers. And also a separate list of IDs. Given that, and ignoring the df ID, column and any index, I want to see if any of the IDs in the bad_ids list are mentioned in the df found _I.d dots column. The code I have so far is this works but only if the bad_ids list is longer than the data frame, and for the real dataset the bad_ids list is going to be a lot shorter than the data frame. If I set the bad_ids list to only 2 elements, I get a very popular error. I have read many questions with the same error. I have tried converting the list to a series, no change in the error. I have also tried adding the new column and setting all values to false before doing the comprehension line, again no change in the error. 2 questions. How do I get my code, below, to work for a list that is shorter than a data frame? How would I get the code to write the actual ID found back to the df bad_id column, more useful than true/false? Expected output for bad_ids equals 15,533, 876,544. Ideal output for bad_ids equals 15,533, 876,544. IDs are written to a new column or columns. Code.
Using np.intersect1d to get the intersect of the 2 lists. Or with just vanilla Python using intersect of sets.
If want test all values of lists in found_IDs column by all values of bad_ids use. If want all match. And for first match, if empty list is set false, possible solution, but not recommended mixing boolean, and numbers. Solution with sets. And also similar with list comprehension.
Using merge and concat whilst grouping by your index to return all the matches.
You can apply and use np.any. This return the bool if exist a bad_i.d. In found_ids, if you want to retrieve this bad_ids. This will return a list of the bad_ids at found_ids. If there is 0 it returns